Hey kids, how are you? All set for a new lesson? So let's get started. Today we are going to learn about pronoun hers. So hers is a possessive pronoun which is used in place of third person singular female. Possessive pronoun. What is it? So let's understand what is possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun tells us that what thing belongs to which person, and it usually comes at the end of the sentence. For example, this water bottle is hers. So in this sentence, pronoun hers denotes that the water bottle belongs to third person singular female. So why don't we see some examples and make the concept of pronoun hers clear? So Rudy, let's take our first example of pronoun hers. This book is hers. So in this sentence, hers is a possessive pronoun which comes at the end of the sentence. It denotes that the book belongs to third person singular feminine.
I understood.
Great. So Rudy, our second example is the ball is hers. So in this sentence, hers is a possessive pronoun which comes at the end of the sentence. It denotes that the ball belongs to third person singular
Feminine.
right. So Rudy, read the third example.
The pencil is hers.
Correct. So can you identify the possessive pronoun in the sentence?
Hers.
Why?
Because it denotes that this pencil belongs to the third person.
Singular or plural?
Singular.
Feminine or masculine?
Feminine.
Very good, Rudy. You got it. So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun hers. But stay tuned for more interesting and fun videos. Bye-bye.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.